Hey there! Today's lesson is about catching a special kind of error, URI error, in JavaScript. We look at what happens when you try to decode a malformed URI string. Using try-catch, we will detect the error and display a clear message instead of crashing. Let's get started with the code. When you work with web addresses, you often need to decode them. But malformed URIs can break your app by throwing a URI error. You need to catch that error and handle it smoothly. Let's wrap our decoding logic in a try-catch block. We define a function decodeURI string that takes a URI string. Inside try, we use decodeURI to decode it. If that fails, we catch the error and check if it is a URI error. We then print a clear, helpful message based on the error type. First, we pass a URI to the function. If it is valid, decoding works and we log the result. If it is malformed, like containing %%, it throws a URI error. Our catch block inspects the error and logs the right message. Let's test two examples. First, a regular URL. No problem. It decodes fine. Then, an invalid URL with 2%, which breaks the decoding process. The function catches this and prints URI error, URI malformed. This approach is useful when working with links or user input. If your app decodes URLs or passes data from external sources, catching URI errors keeps it stable and user-friendly. It is a small but critical part of good web development. To wrap up, we've built a safe URI decoder using try-catch. We've handled malformed inputs using URI error detection. This helps avoid crashes and gives the user or developer helpful feedback. Try using this in your own projects to make your code more resilient. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.